Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I do believe this is the end of an ABC correction right here. If it is the end of an ABC, then this move down is a 1 and this move up is a wave 2, and eventually once the wave 2 correction is over, we will go down to make a big giant wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly, switch back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, I still am looking at this move down right here as a trend. I still think it's a wave 1. I still think this is an A and then probably a WXY for the wave B, and most likely an uptrend for the wave C. It did make a big bounce off the 61% fib level. We'll have to keep an eye on it over the next couple of days, trading days that is, for evidence that it really is the end of an ABC of 2 and that we really are continuing down for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely is a pretty strong move down the last couple daily candles, as you can see. But for me, the last major structure level is way down here. So for me, the trend is definitely still up on the daily. I am still looking at this move down as possibly a correction to this move up. Some of these other moves down were pretty strong also, and it just kept on trending up. So I definitely would not call this trend over until we at least see a significant lower high or a break of structure to the downside. So let's head down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside. Like I said, it could be a wave A or it could be a wave 1. If it's a wave A, then it will make some sort of a three-way pattern, go down to a Fibonacci level and then continue the uptrend for an ABC. If it really is a wave 1, then it will probably just keep on trending down, eventually go down, break structure, proving that that daily trend is over, and then we are definitely going to be long-term sellers on the dollar for probably quite some time. So let's keep going down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, very strong downtrend. It does kind of resemble a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the fifth wave is a little too stretched out for me. So I mean, I do think at some point it is going to go up and make a correction, which should be either be a wave B or a wave 2. This should either be a wave 1 or a wave A. Then we should get another push down, which will tell us the story, because if it's a wave C, it'll bounce off a fib level and go back up. If it's a wave 3, it will not bounce off a fib level in a big way. I mean, it may bounce off a fib level, but it will not break structure. It'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, eventually go down and break that daily structure, which I believe will prove that this is the end of an uptrend. So like I said, as of right now, I am definitely looking at this move down as possibly a correction to the move up, and I am looking at it as possibly an ABC, but if the market proves that it is over, then we will definitely become long-term sellers on the US dollar index. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.